In this tip of the day, let's take a look at using the clearance style option to modify toolpath within OneCNC. Now, in this example, I've performed a rough grooving operation to two of these ID grooves. In fact, let's preview the toolpath. We'll head over to the NC Manager. I'm going to right-hand mouse click and select Preview Toolpaths. Now you'll notice that after the very first rough grooving operation, the tool passes through the geometry as it positions for the next rough grooving operation. We can modify this reposition move by using clearance style. Let me demonstrate. We're going to exit out of Preview and we're going to edit the very first rough grooving operation. I'm going to right click and select Edit Operation. From there, within the second dialog box, you'll notice there's an option called Clearance Style. Typically, we leave this alone, but what this does is this affects how the tool approaches and how the tool exits after the machining operation. I'm going to choose this option called Move X Only, and for an X value, I'm going to type in 1 inch. This means that the tool will position itself to X 1 inch, then perform the operation, and then reposition to X 1 inch before it moves to the next machining operation. Let's click Next, 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 and Finish. And now let's preview our toolpath. We're going to right-hand mouse click, Preview Toolpath. Tool's performing the first rough groove operation, then rapids to X 1 inch, and now repositions to the next rough grooving operation. So by using clearance style within OneCNC, you can effectively edit the reposition moves between machining operations. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.